Right. I have a very important message. Antimati John Legend is coming. Right. Tickets are $150. I've bought two. Anditika. Two tickets. Now, because they are so expensive, we have to get some stuff in order. And it. You guys have what you call curtain raisers. These are the people that are going to perform before John Legend. I paid my $150 per ticket. Two, so that's $300. Now, for $300, the curtain raisers you guys bring. Hey, no Sungura. Please, do not put Sungura as opening acts for John Legend. Ajipindirane. Right? Number two, no urban grooves. And it Ajipindirane. It doesn't. And it so no Sungura, no hey, thank you. Thank you so much. So much. Hey, no urban grooves. Ajipindirane. No Zimdancehall. Ajipindirane. Po. Pana John Legend. Ayo, man, please support. 300 akawandisa. Please, the only opening acts you should have for John Legend, Prayer Soul, Hope Masike, Taroni Guitar. Those are the only three people you should have as opening acts. And it, please, the rest, because no, listen, all of me loves all of you. Eshinzo mani fada, Hazvipindirane. All of me loves all of you. Hauite, Hazvipindirane. And it, who do we think we are? Hey, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey. Yeah. That's my message. Right. Pambori pamba pani ko patira.